Good morning, folks. Just a quick unboxing this morning. I've just had this this package arrive from Yodel. It originates at Wiggle. So let's see what's inside there. So big box for a little box. Yeah, I've gone and got myself a Garmin Varia RTL515. I know several of you have got these. I know Mark runs one, and I was travelling behind it the other day and thought, yeah, looks good. Heard good reports, so I'd treat myself. So let's just see what we got in here in the box. There's a few unboxings of these about as well. I mean, I had a quick look on DC Rainmaker earlier on. He'd done a very good review of the 515. Book of words. USB cable, and yeah, Garmin still can't move away from micro to USB-C. And that, so various mounts, all different types of seat poster, and of course it goes, we've got rubber bits, and then the mount, which is Garmin quarter turn. Rubber bands, and then we have the light itself. I don't know whether it's got any power in the battery. Oh yes. Different modes. So yeah, now one thing I'm going to be very interested in finding out, and I will play later. I will do, once I've had a proper play with it, I will see about doing a review on it. But one of the things that I'm interested in seeing is my Bontrager lights are Ant Plus, and I have the the Bontrager transmitter switch, which you can control up to 4 lights with. I've got the Ion Pro set up, and I've got the flare set up on it. I'm wondering where I'm going to be able to control this with it, because this is ANT Plus as well. So it will be interesting to see. I'll have a look at the manual and see if we can connect that in onto that switch as well, which will be even nicer. Of course, it does connect to the bolt, so I shall set it up on the bolt for radar, and I will have a play later, because I'm going to try and get out today to road test the trek, or should I say trail test the trek, a bit of both actually. Might well take you on that one with me. Thoughts on route for it at the moment are Cockmarsh to Marlow and then back down the Thames Path the other side, 20 miles. Hopefully the legs will agree, because for some reason they're feeling a bit sore recently, but yeah, so that's that. I have got another little package. That's just this is what I think it is. I had a little bit of a problem putting the after changing the battery, I had a little bit of problem putting the Geo-Trap back on the track the other day. I couldn't get it to tighten up enough, so I think I might have just done the thread on the screw a little bit, so I ordered some more screws. So I'm going to try and sort that out as well. Just little 2.5 Allen screws off of eBay, 99p. Wow, and there's 4 of them. Free postage. Yeah, right, that's enough waffling from me, folks. I will put all this together, pair it with the bolt, and I'll catch you all a little bit later on. Ciao for now. Bye.